So if you want to run plugins in Figma, the easiest way to do it is just click on this resources button and then just go to plugins, and you can search whatever plugin you want to use, and then just click on it and it should run automatically. Now there's a second option. You can do it from going to plugins right here and then just manage plugins, where you can see the recently used ones. And the third option is you can go to Figma/community/plugins and just find whatever plugin you want to use, and then just click on open in, and whichever project you want the plugin to be opened in. You don't have to install any of the plugins. You don't have to do anything. In my case, it just opened the Figma desktop client. I wanted to use the web client, so I just clicked open here instead. So yeah, you just click run, and you can just use a plugin. But any plugin that is available on the Figma website is also available to be searched on the Figma app, in the Figma app right here. So I don't really see any point in just searching them on the actual website, but like I said, if you just want to do it, you can also do that right here. So yeah, that's how you see plugins in Figma, and that's how you use them.